Good evening from the top of the world. I hope you all are doing absolutely well, and if you're thinking about me, I'm doing good as well. In this video, I'll teach you guys how to play wildcard on Fantasy Premier League if you want to make unlimited substitution in one game week, or if you have somewhat not made a good choice on your players and if you want to change all over again. So at first, you must go into PL or Premier League app and you'll choose Fantasy. You must log in into your account, and if you don't know how to do that, please do check out our video on that as well. So after you are here, you can go to pick team. Here is the option for that. You go there, and at the top you can see bench boost, free hit, or triple captain. Here is no option of your wild card. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna go to transfer, and you can see here that my wildcard is available. So if you click on that, nothing will be activated, but what you can do is you can replace your players. So you can see here I'm replacing randomly, and the cost will be somewhat low, so I'm not making the correct choice as of now. So I must click on players that I can afford. Not yet again. So you can see that all my players are available. Again, not this. So another one, average. So you can see that I have 1.9 million left on my bank, and what this transfer cost me is minus 8 points. So that is kinda harsh for us as players on FPL. So what you can do is you can activate wildcard. So you can see here wildcard available, and if you just click on that, you can see wildcard is activated, and there will be no waste of your points, and you'll not lose even 1 point if you activate this. So after you click on confirm, you'll lose no points, and you can make as many changes as you want in that game week. So this is how you use wildcard on FPL, and if you guys learned something today or found this video helpful, please do leave a thumbs up below and comment down what you'd like to see next. Until then, have a good time.